What if the most powerful telescope ever built has just shown us something we were never meant to see? What if everything we believe about the origin of our universe, about time, space, and reality itself, is beginning to collapse under the weight of new evidence? The James Webb Space Telescope was designed to look back in time, to capture the universe's first light. But what it has returned is far more disturbing than anyone expected. Data so strange that a Nobel Prize-winning physicist broke his silence with a chilling warning: "This is not our universe." So what exactly did Webb discover at the very edge of everything? And why are scientists now saying it could force a complete rewrite of cosmology itself? In one seemingly unremarkable patch of sky, Webb detected a faint yellow glow. At first, it looked ordinary. But when astronomers analyzed the data, their assumptions fell apart. That tiny splotch was not just another distant galaxy. It was the most distant galaxy ever observed, formed only 290 million years after the supposed birth of the universe. And that's where the problem begins. This galaxy is far too massive, far too bright, and far too evolved to exist so early. According to everything we know, there simply wasn't enough time for structures like this to form. The early universe should have been chaotic, thin, and immature. Instead, Webb is seeing galaxies that look fully grown. And it isn't just one. Webb has now identified dozens of these objects. Each one violates the same rules. Each one shouldn't exist. As scientists looked closer, the mystery deepened. Some of these early objects behave unlike any galaxy ever observed. Normal galaxies convert roughly 10% of their gas into stars. But Webb found several that appeared to have converted nearly all of their matter into starlight. No gas. No dust. Just blinding luminosity. According to current physics, that is impossible. Which raises a far more unsettling question. What if these aren't galaxies at all? What if Webb isn't looking back in time, but through something else entirely? A fracture in reality. A remnant of a previous cosmos. Or an intrusion from beyond our universe. To understand why this is so alarming, we need to talk about the observable universe. As space expands, distant galaxies move away from us faster and faster. Beyond a certain limit, they recede faster than light. That boundary defines what we should be able to see. And yet Webb is detecting light from regions that appear to lie beyond those limits. Light that should never have reached us. Signals from zones that should be causally disconnected from our reality. Which leads to something deeply unsettling. Either our understanding of cosmic boundaries is wrong, or we are seeing beyond the edge of our universe. Webb's findings have reignited debates once thought settled. Some scientists are now openly questioning whether the universe even had a beginning at all. If galaxies form too quickly, if light can arrive from impossible distances, and if structures exist that defy time and scale, then maybe the Big Bang is incomplete, or fundamentally misunderstood. Maybe the early universe isn't early. Maybe what we're seeing is an overlap. A place where different cosmic histories intersect. Or something far older bleeding through. One of Webb's strangest discoveries isn't visual at all. While analyzing background data, its instruments detected a faint, repeating oscillation. A rhythmic signal that doesn't match any known cosmic phenomenon. It isn't a pulsar. It isn't gravitational waves. It isn't background radiation. The signal repeats with precise regularity. Almost like a pulse. Some researchers cautiously suggest exotic matter. Others are more disturbed by its mathematical structure. Because this frequency isn't random. It follows a pattern, one that looks intentional. Then there are the gravitational anomalies. At extreme distances, Webb has observed regions where gravity bends light and warps space far more than visible matter allows. This isn't ordinary dark matter. These mass effects appear disconnected from any detectable source, as if something unseen is pressing against spacetime itself. Some theorists are now entertaining a once dismissed idea that we are detecting the gravitational shadow of another universe. A mirror reality interacting with our own. In this model, time in that universe could flow in the opposite direction. Physics could run in reverse. And recent Webb observations, unexpected asymmetries, strange rotations, unexplained particle behaviors, hint that two cosmic systems may be overlapping. As if our universe is being tugged by something just beyond reach. As expected, it began to fade. Then something impossible happened. A cosmic echo. Or the light struck something. Something at the edge. Something capable of reflecting it. Impossible galaxies. Phantom gravity. Rhythmic signals. Mirrored patterns. Cosmic echoes. Each discovery erodes our certainty. A Nobel Prize-winning physicist warned us, this is not our universe. And maybe that's the truth we were never meant to face. Maybe we exist on the edge of something ancient and vast. A deeper structure. A universe behind the universe. It's whether we are even in the right one.